I serve on my school board because I believe in the potential of every student who walks the hallways of a Kerrville ISD school. I serve on the TASB board because I believe in the potential of every Texas student. And just like you, the children in my district remind me each and every day why I do this work. As trustees, we recognize the decisions we make on our local boards help shape what comes next. And as a TASB member, you also have a voice in shaping what comes next for our association. Delegate Assembly is our opportunity each year to come together as members and set the governance direction for TASB. And there's a lot of excitement about this year's Delegate Assembly in Houston because it promises to be transformational for our members as we work to serve the unique needs of school boards from across Texas, whether rural, urban, small, or large. We invite you to join us at Delegate Assembly to set the direction of our association and create a roadmap for the future. This work is especially important as we continue to focus on supporting school board members in their work to advance excellent student outcomes. Having just celebrated TASB's 75th anniversary in 2024, it seems fitting that we would prepare for the next 75 years by putting forward a new mission statement and reimagined cornerstone principles at this year's Delegate Assembly. We're also presenting a proposal where local legislative priorities will be collected and highlighted for a strengthened approach to public school advocacy across the state. It's exciting and gratifying to be part of this work with my fellow TASB directors and officers, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you, our members, as we discuss and vote on these items at Delegate Assembly.
We have three major proposals that we're asking members to weigh in on. Combined, they reflect more than 2 years of intense work by the TASB board, including several special committees and a 9-month strategic planning process. The timing couldn't be better as we work to ensure TASB is ready to thrive in today's changing education environment. Throughout this process, our priority has been to listen to our members and put their needs first. In short, the goal is to better connect TASB's work in Austin to what's happening locally in school districts and communities across the state.
As we imagined TASB's future, a picture started to come together, a tree symbolizing how our work is rooted in strong values, supported by a central mission, and growing toward new possibilities. A tree is also fitting since learning and growing are core to our work as school trustees. At the heart of the tree is the trunk, our revised mission statement. It's designed to provide strength and clarity, a solid core that supports everything we do as a member-led organization. With this core, TASB can continue to grow, adapt, and thrive alongside the evolving needs of Texas school boards. The last time the mission statement was updated was in 1996, so we approached this work with care and respect. As you'll see, our new proposed mission statement continues to speak to our central purpose of promoting educational excellence for Texas school children, while also clearly articulating how we support our members as a nonpartisan, nonprofit member association. For me, the proposed mission statement also resonates in the context of our work as school board members, trying to support and strengthen our school communities. From our mission statement grew the idea for reimagined cornerstone principles, which, if approved at Delegate Assembly, would include our core beliefs and the building blocks of the TASB advocacy agenda. Combined with our mission, these new cornerstone principles will serve as the way we educate others on who TASB is and what we stand for in support of Texas school children. I hope you can also see the work that was done to streamline and clarify while also respecting the original intent of the current belief statements and cornerstone principles. These updates are designed to make our mission statement unmistakably clear to our members, to lawmakers, and to every Texan who cares about public schools. The work of our association is focused on promoting and supporting strong local governance practices that meet the unique needs of each ISD.
That focus on strong local governance is also why the TASB board is recommending some updates to our current advocacy process. At Delegate Assembly, members will have the opportunity to vote on a new process that makes room for more grassroots member involvement, expanded member voice, and the potential for more collaboration among local boards on important public education issues. Currently, fewer than 30 boards submit resolutions each year for consideration in the TASB advocacy agenda. If approved, the new process will help connect the dots among 1,023 member boards while also preserving the unique voice of each member district. TASB's advocacy work at the state capitol has always started at the grassroots level across the state, listening and collecting input from our members. That won't change. This recommendation is designed to better respond to the needs of our members.
There's a lot up for consideration at Delegate Assembly, and I invite you to be part of the conversation. Both the proposed strategic plan updates and local legislative priority process are big milestone moments for TASB. The recommendations being brought to the 2025 Delegate Assembly reflect a true commitment to you, our members, because you have been the driving force behind TASB's success for more than 75 years and will be for the next 75 years.